Sat above a beautiful tropical island backdrop is a mountain of knife-edge ridges, unparalleled views and stifling heat. It's a climb I've dreamt of for many years. At 899 metres, don't let the height of this mountain deceive you. This is every bit the hardest climb I've ever done. Good morning, it's another hike today. I don't know, it's about 8:30 now. I've left a bit late so Sophie could have a bit of a slower start this morning, because she's sitting down at Polynesia Bay beach this morning. I'm up here. I'm already so warm. Like, sweat's dripping from my face, so it's gonna be a hot one today. We'll see how it goes. I'm sure it'll be fine. This is the view so far. I'm really warm. I just had to take my shirt off to cool down. I'm standing in the shade for a minute. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. But right now I'm way too warm. Well, right now, but most of the time, yeah. So I've just stopped, had a quick snack and a drink. Took my shirt off to cool down. That was needed. I'm in the shade right now, so I don't want to leave it. Honestly, I'm so warm. Not sure how high up I am now. Looking at the mountains around, I think I must be over halfway. Not sure though. So, pretty sure that's the summit there. Clouds have just started coming in. Means I'm not going to get the best view, but I need it. I'm so warm. I've been saying that the whole way up, but yeah, it's going alright though. If that's not the summit, then I'm not making it today. That was slippery. So I'm looking at that right there, which is a 30-meter straight line from here. I think that's the true summit. I'm gonna just chill here for a minute, have a snack maybe. I think I'm gonna fly the drone and then I'm gonna head over there, and then I might eat my snack and then head down. Yeah. up here. It's that drop here with this little scramble up here. So I've got to the point, yeah, I'm gonna stop here now. I'm gonna turn around. It's too late. That's the summit right there. Literally right there. I'm so close. I'm a bit disappointed, but you know, I can always come and climb it again. I've really enjoyed this hike though. The second half of it, I hated the first half. The second half's been good. Walking back to the beach, see Sophie, I'm getting the water. God, I need it, I'm looking forward to it.
No. So worried.
It was so warm.
Yeah, I know it was warm. For some context, I had a really nice day relaxing on the beach.